2023 is winding to a close. I'll be trying to get in a few good jump rope workouts before the new year. Speaking of which, best wishes for the year ahead. I was already warmed up before this jump rope workout, but because it was quite cold outside, I just wanted to loosen up a little bit further before starting. So the first thing I was doing here was rotating my ankles and my wrists. And then the next movement I will do mimics a boxer skip. And it's great for loosening up the hips. So I just have my hands on my hips or on my waist. And now I'm shifting my body weight from one leg to the other. So it's a nice movement for the hips. And now this exercise is great for warming up the entire body. I'm pivoting on my feet as I turn my body. And I'm not trying to turn too quickly. It's just a very gentle movement, but great for loosening up the entire body. And notice the feet. Turning, pivoting. So if you turn to the left, your knee points to the left. If you move to the right, then knee moves to the right. Here's a very similar movement, except I'm swinging my arms back a little bit higher in a diagonal motion, as if you were swinging a golf club almost. And now here, to further loosen up the hips and even the spine, just doing some hip rotations, hands on the hips, and moving the body around while moving the feet on the ground to allow the hips to move around in a circular fashion. This is an absolutely fantastic and such an easy exercise to do. Toe taps. Fantastic for warming up the feet, the ankles, the Achilles tendon, and the muscles of the lower legs. So before I was tapping my feet in an alternate fashion, and you can also do them, tap your feet at the same time. And now here's another movement to warm up the muscles of the lower legs, the calf muscles, as well as the Achilles tendon and the feet, doing some calf raises while kind of rocking your feet forward and backwards. Here, warming up the shoulders by doing some people call them windmills. So rotating the arms around forwards as well as backwards. And now just shaking out my legs. It's a great movement too. Doing little squat jumps, not jumping high off the ground. Really good to warm up the body and prepare it for jumping. And just shaking out my legs a little bit again before picking up the rope. And the workout was just about to commence. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.